In today's video, let me show you how to log into your LoanDepot account. If this video sounds helpful to you and if you want to log into your account as well, then make sure you stick till the end and keep watching this video. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Search for LoanDepot.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of LoanDepot. Now on the top right, you'll be able to see this login button. You can click on it and you can see various types of accounts that you can log in. So pick the account that you're trying to log in and it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now depending upon which option that you choose, your interface might look different. Either way, you just need to fill in these details. Firstly, either you need to type in your user ID or the email address that you used while creating your account. And in the second box, type in the password. If you want to reveal this password, you can click on the show button. If you have forgotten your details or your password, you can scroll down and click on trouble logging in and reset your password. From there, you can follow simple steps to recover and reset your password. Once you type in both of these information and these credentials, you can click on sign in and you'll be successfully logged in to your account of LoanDepot. If you guys found this video helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.